Okay, another update again. This one here is to put a trim on the side door so that it doesn't scratch every time you open the door. So I get this one here. I've ordered it online. This is not very expensive, but there you go. So I'm putting it now. So it's got this one has a glue on the inside. So when you glue it, you have to glue it inside here. You put the side glue on this side, not on this side. Okay, which if you put in this side, you keep opening it, and sometimes you hold this one here when you open it, so it might come off. So the best way to do it is to put this the sticker or the glue on this side. All right. Okay, so I'm just gonna start from the top, and then you'll see later on the finishing stuff. Okay, mga brosis, I've just installed the trimmer for the door trim. So that was actually easy. So all you have to do is to don't use any glove, just use your hand and you just slide it all the way. See, that's what I did, all the way there, done. All good. Okay, it's in on the right side. There you go. As you can see, from here to here, there. Let's get a new trimmer. Okay, much better look. So every time you open the door, you hit something on that side, you won't be able to scratch anymore, because I've opened it and there was a scratch here. So yep, this is my new baby. Look at that. Woohoo! If you don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?